It means it's the two friends taco shop. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. This is Takeste and Jones Eat, and today we're having Mexican food. In particular, we're having quesadilla tacos, and we found this food truck who serves Mexican food from the Veracruz region and Mexico. And anyway, we pass by this place all the time, so we decided to try it out. So we each bought ourselves a order of birria tacos, and they come with a corn tortilla, cheese, shredded beef, onions, coriander, and then you have the caldo or the consume, which you dip the tacos in. And we both have four each. We both have our own consume, and then we got two drinks. We got the jarritos. He has the lime, and I have the tamarind. Tamarind is my favorite. And as well, these were not cheap. I'll just say these were not cheap, but we know in this economy, things are not cheap. Everything goes up. I mean, I remember when these tacos were like $2 a piece in California, but those days are gone, so I can't complain. We probably spent maybe about, I think they were like $37 for both of our, we both got four tacos. So eight tacos, consume, and then the drinks, $37. I guess that's reasonable in these times. So here we are enjoying these great tacos. Okay, here's the consume. It's like a soup, and it has like chunks of beef in there. So it's really good. And I'm about to dip my taco in here and try this out. Very good flavor. Uh, if you had consume, it's basically, I would say it's like a beef stew or a beef soup with like onions and peppers and stuff in there. The tacos are really good. They're prepared really well. The tortillas are nice and crispy as well as soft. So they're chewy, crispy, and soft all at the same time. It's kind of like if you had like I guess some Doritos and you like crushed them up, and then you made a soft taco. I don't know. I can't explain it, but it's really good. And we got hot sauces here. It came with some limes, and also we have like some radish and some cucumbers, and they're really fresh. They're really good. Uh, when I was little, I never liked those things, but now that I'm older, they really complement everything really well. Got lots of cilantro. This red sauce is really good. Rojo, it's salsa. I like dipping my vegetables in salsa. But this, I like the sauce a lot.
Yeah.
Can we take you out? You wanna go poopy? Party in the USA? Okay. I'll take you party.
Okay, so please excuse the wife speaking to the puppies. So anyway, yeah, this flavor, like this is really, really, really good. And they use the coriander. I guess coriander are the seeds, and the cilantro is the stem and the leaf. I think that's how it goes. But anyway, if you're a fan of coriander and cilantro, this is for you. Like this is I am. I love like if you put the most you can put on there, I can eat all of it. Um the limes, we struggled with the limes because the limes were super fresh, but they're super hard. They're not as soft, but we did manage to squeeze all the juice out of the limes. My son Coco here is he's I don't know, he likes to put the taco in the consomme and swirl it around instead of just dipping it and dipping it back out. But I can, to tell you the truth, I can just eat the soup by itself. So next time if I go back here, I think I'm gonna order like an extra, like a large consomme just to have that because this soup is good, and it's also good for like if you have colds or if you're like feeling under the weather. And I want to say, because I grew up around the Mexican community, I know a lot of friends used to have this when they were sick. So it makes sense. It makes so much sense. Like I'll say for Mexican food, like Mexican food is one of my favorite foods in this world. And it's just, I don't know, it's something about it that just makes me feel so good. I think I might have been Mexican in past life. I don't know, but I'm always I'm always uh attracted to Mexican foods or different types of South American food as well. I mean, I love African food. I love, well, you know what? This is a food channel. I love all the foods. Let's put it that way. But today we had to get these tacos. We keep seeing vlogs about birria tacos. They were never a thing, but I guess they got popular in recent years. Um, so, oh, and the jarritos. I mean, you can't go wrong with the jarrito. I love all flavors of jarrito, but my favorite drink of all, whenever I get Mexican food, I'm always getting tamarindo or tamarind, and that is good for you also. Tamarind is so good for you.
You said what was the question? Say you said was it May or
Yeah. Is it good or is it mid?
it's good? Speak speak.
It's good, right?
Yeah, speak speak. Criticizing.
Yeah. He don't give out easy ratings.
No, it's really rare when it gives out good ratings. These, yeah.
Yep.
Like I remember, the only good ratings he gave was I think the lobster rolls. He was like, "Man, this is good."
The lobster roll.
Yep, he gave it a great rating.
Oh, I got to see that one. Was that in DC?
Mm-hmm.
So if you heard, yes, we are fans of Peaks 100. He really inspired us to start doing food vlogging. I believe he's from the DMV area, and we just love watching his videos. And the one reason why my son really wanted to have some birria tacos is one of these Peaks 100 episodes. My man does great work, and he's a good reviewer. And like I said, he doesn't like give out ratings easy. He could very well be like more famous than Keith Lee. I think if he, I don't know what he needs to do, but like that guy. We really like his stuff. We really love his vlogs and his channel. So go check him out, Peaks 100. He does great work.
Last morsel of meat. And they're supposed to have fajita with beef today.
You were?
For dinner.